Hello everyone. Today we will see how to write program using BlueJ. Okay, so I will take the example of printing pattern. So we will print a pattern of a number using BlueJ. For printing number we will use nested loop. So we will use two loops here. So first of all we will create two variables I and j. Okay, and then we will use two loops. The outer loop that will be used for the number of rows, the number of lines. So first of all we will write for int I equal to 1, I should be lesser or equal to 5 and I plus plus. It means that the lines will be 5, 1 to 5. Then we will write the second loop that will be used for printing the numbers, that will be for j equal to 1, and j will be dependent on the first one, the loop 1, the counter variable of loop 1, that is I. So j will be always lesser or equal to I and j plus plus. Then we will use the printing statement system.out.print, and what we are going to print, we will be printing the value of j. After this we will close the inner loop. After the closing of inner loop we have to close. Now we will print one more statement, the printing statement for changing the line. When one line is printed we need to change the line, we have to shift to next line. So for that we will use system.out.print. Then we have to close the second for loop, the outer for loop. Then after we will see how many braces to be put, and we will count the number of opening and closing braces. It should be equal. As you can see there is a syntactical error. We have an extra closing braces that has to be removed. So I'll remove that closing braces from the bottom, and then we will compile again, and then we will get the compilation correct. Okay, so there is no syntactical error. Let's run the class. We have to click on void main option, and when we click on void main, as you can see the pattern is printed 1, next is what, 1 2, next is 1 2 3, then the fourth one is 1 2 3 4, and the next one is 1 2 3 4 5. So first line 1, second line 1 and 2, third line 1 2 3, fourth line 1 2 3 4, and the last line is 1 2 3 4 5. In this way we can make program using the BlueJ editor also. Okay, so thank you everyone, that's all for today. Like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.